Welcome back, everybody. I'm Juliana. So for today's video, I wanted to show you guys how I created this makeup look. It's super simple and I think it's pretty easy. I think it's a great look for beginners. You can use, honestly, any colors you want. I might try to do this again if you guys actually even want to see it, but with a exciting new palette that I just got that's super colorful. So we'll see. I'll play around with it, but I wanted to just start off with this nice neutral look. This is the kind of look that you are seeing everywhere. This Foxy Eye is like all over the place. Kendall Jenner, Bella Hadid, you know, all these gorgeous models are really like this look is something that everybody is doing now, and I was like, I might as well make a video about it. Like, I think it's cool and a lot of people want to know how to do it, so I figured I'd show you guys a really simple and easy way on how I do it. This is not typically the kind of look that I would go for. Like, I like how soft and minimal it is. That part I would go for. The shape itself, like, it's supposed to give you the illusion that everything's just nice and like cut off, you know, cornered off. And typically with my eye shape, I like to have a little bit more of like a rounded style. Just my personal preference, but this look is really fun and, you know, like I said, it's really simple. It's great for beginners. It's great for a night out. It's great for just a daytime look. So lots of cool things. So, you know, down below if you guys want to see this look, but maybe with some fun colors and playing around with it a little bit more. All right, I'm so excited for you guys to see this look and keep on watching. So I went ahead and already primed my eyes and I did my brows. I just primed with my concealer. So I'm using the Morphe 35O palette, and I'm going to start with this shade here, and I'm just going to put that all over the lid just so that I get a nice smooth area just from where I put the concealer. You can use like a face powder. I'm just using this shadow just to get it nice and smooth. So I like this palette because it has a nice mix of warm and cool tones. Now I am one of those people, I just always gravitate towards the warm tones. I can't help it. It's a nice neutral shade. I'm just like a flat brush. And I'm starting to just flick this out. Okay, and then I'm taking the color right next to it, which is almost like a taupey, like brownish gray kind of color. And I'm gonna do the same thing. Important with this look is that you want everything nice and blown out, nice and smoky, almost to give you the appearance that your eyes kind of like this, nice and sharp towards the edges. And then I'm gonna go in with this shade over here. And I'm just gonna keep layering them on there. Now, I'm just using these colors, but you could totally do this like a lot more dramatic, so you can use like bright colors and, you know, so many different looks that you could do with this. But right now it's like that foxy kind of look, so I wanted to use these colors, like a nice smoked out like browns. It'd be really pretty. And then I'm taking a darker color down here with a even tinier brush and doing the same thing. But this time I'm going a little bit closer to my lash line. And still just sticking on that outer corner. A lot of this is just layering back and forth with, you know, whatever colors you're wanting. So I'm taking this darker shade in here and doing the same thing that I've been doing, just going back over that. But if you can see, it's starting to take that shape. So if you want like that, you know, this is technically just like a cat eye, but if you wanted like that cat eye effect, and you want everything just to be lifted nice and tight, you'll love this look. You could go in and darken everything even more. I didn't want to go in and darken a lot more, but I just went back and forth, blended everything with this brush, just back and forth, back and forth. I did put just a tiny wash of color from that very first color we used all over the lid, just to give me something a little extra. I just wanted a tiny bit more color on my lid. Now, the next few steps are optional. You could just put on mascara, and I think that's what I'm gonna do, but you could definitely add like eyeliner and make it even more dramatic, or you could do some false lashes. I have to go to work in a little bit, and I didn't want to have to deal with a bunch of stuff all over my eyes, so I'm just gonna do mascara. So I'll show you guys what that looks like. Ta-da! So this is what this eye makeup looks like. So what I did was I put on mascara, and normally, you know, you go like all over. What I did was put like one light coat all over, and then whatever I had left over on the wand, I pushed it out. Again, just following this like angular kind of, you know, following this like angular shape. So I pushed my lashes outwards so that, you know, it's encouraging that kind of look. So that's what that looks like. So this is like a really simple version of it. You could definitely, by all means, go more dramatic. I'm just, yeah. I haven't been doing that, so I think I would have to practice that before showing you guys. I feel like my face got like a facelift, or my eyes at least. All right, well, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was fun for me to do something a little different, and let me know down below if you guys have other trends or styles that you would like to learn, or for me to try and see what I think about it. I think this is a really fun trend. I think it's great for beginners especially. You know, I'm not using very many colors. You can, you know, it's really fun and easy to do, and the best part is that you can be kind of messy with it and it'll still look good. Like, this is something I probably still need to practice, but I wanted to show you guys like how I've been doing it and playing around with it. But yeah, all right, thank you guys so much for watching. I love and appreciate all of you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and also hit the notification bell so that you are updated on anything that I post. Thank you guys. Worth along that line, my base line, or my lash line, not my, I keep saying my base line. But yeah, hopefully you guys, hope. Let me know down below if you guys wanted me to show you